बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अज मुझो लाइव अचण जो मक़सद इहो हो त आई हैव रिसीव लॉट ऑफ फ़ोन कॉल्स एंड आई हैव रिसीव लॉट ऑफ emails regarding how to get a immigration as a registered nurse. For registered nurse, it is not necessary that female can apply. Male also can apply, and male has an equal opportunity for the whether for the nursing. Nursing in Australia, I believe, is one of the best profession. The registered nurse, how you register yourself as a RN from Pakistan. You must have a first class 4 years degree in nursing. That's a first step. So if anybody who has a 4 years nursing course, nursing BSc honors, he can be applied for the registered nurse. Now procedure is very simple. You have a degree and you must have a 4 to 5 year experience, and your age group is lying between 30 to 40. That is the maximum point you will get for the Australian immigration once your age is 30 to 40. The other thing, IELTS. Many of in nursing profession, they require to get the proficiency in English language by International English Language Testing System journal. So you must have at least a 6.5 to 7 score in overall band of IELTS. The other thing, a registered nurse can start a job from $65 per hour, which is highest for many of the professions. In Pakistan, people are thinking about nursing profession in a different way. But Australia, nursing professions, if you are RN, you are like a doctor. They will give you a lot of good trainings during orientation training, and then they build up your career. How to settle as a nurse? Few of the queries I have received from Hyderabad and Karachi, and most of them they are asking how we can settle down. Once you arrive in Australia, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, or any city or any regional migration, you have to contact with the center and you have to go for the employment center, and they will, if you have a RN registered nurse degree, if you are a registered nurse with a foreign qualification or Pakistani qualification, so you have to just apply there and you will receive several jobs, because nursing is on demand still in Australia. One question was asked by one of my student from Khairpur. He said that my age group is 54 years. If you are 54 years and you have a nursing degree, you can apply, but your spouse must have certain qualifications. Then you both can apply to New Zealand, not Australia, because in New Zealand, if your wife is any master degree and you have, and both have experiences, then you can qualify for New Zealand immigration, not Australia. Australian, if you are above 54, you will not get any immigration, because you have to go for the business migration, and that is require more money. One question was asked from my colleague from Larkana, that in nursing profession, many of the nurses are available, but they can't speak, they can't have a proficiency in English. So how come they can be a part of the RN? For registered nurse, you require IELTS. If you are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, you must have to appear in the IELTS examination. So once you qualify that examination, then you can apply for RN, and once you receive any good news, then you can go ahead. So this is all about. If you have any queries, I am always available for all of you, and I will help all of profession. Next time, I will, day after tomorrow, I will go for the how to be a professional BBA in accounting and finance and their scope. So next my next talk will be on BBA accounting and finance. Thank you very much.